You just got a CP504 notice from the IRS. Now what? Are they about to levy your bank account or garnish your wages? And is there anything you can do to stop it? Yes, but time is not on your side. Let me walk you through your options step by step. Hi, I'm attorney Chad Silver. I'm the founder of Silver Tax Group. My firm has over 40 years of combined experience handling IRS collections, audits, and tax defense nationwide. We don't just advise, we take over the fight for you and bring the fight to the IRS on your behalf. So what exactly is a CP504 notice? Well, it's a notice of intent to levy, not just a warning from the IRS, but it's a real threat. The IRS is planning to seize your assets, and if you don't act, they can move on to wage garnishments, bank levies, or worse. This is one of the final notices before the IRS sends you what is called a final notice of intent to levy, usually a letter's 1058 or LT11. Once that's issued, you only have 30 days to stop the levy through a formal appeal. Let's go over all your options right now. Option 1, pay the full amount. Most people can't do it. If you agree with the balance and have the funds, pay it immediately. That'll stop the collection activity and get the IRS off your back. Option 2, this is what a lot of people do. Set up a payment plan. This is called an installment agreement, and it spans over months or years. It lets you spread payments out over time and avoids enforcement. Option 3, apply for currently not collectible status. If you're financially struggling, we can get the IRS to pause collections and sometimes burn out the liabilities. Option 4, submit an offer and compromise. This is where you settle the debt for less than what you owe, but not everyone qualifies. We'll assess that for you. Option 5, challenge the debt. Many CP504s are based on returns the IRS filed for you, known as substitute for returns. We can file accurate returns or request an audit reconsideration and get that debt lowered by tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars or sometimes millions. Option 6, wait for the final levy notice and request a collection due process hearing. This gives you the legal right to appeal before any levy takes place, but you only have 30 days and it goes fast. Option 7, go to U.S. tax court. If the IRS denies your appeal, we can file a tax court petition that freezes collections and gives you a fair hearing with individuals who have much more experience than the normal negotiations that can occur in the collections division of the IRS that you're talking to. Option 8, file a collections appeal program request or a CAP appeal. If you miss the CDP window, this is another way to stop a reverse collection action. Option 9, innocent spouse relief, not usually granted, hard to do, fact-based. If this debt came from a joint return you didn't control, we may be able to remove your liability completely. Option 10, bankruptcy. In some cases, bankruptcy can wipe out tax debts. It's not for everyone, but we can analyze it in every case to see if it's a fit for you. Here's the truth. By the time you receive a CP504 notice, the IRS is ready to jump down your throat and take your assets. You need someone who's tough, who knows the tax code, understands IRS procedures, and can protect your rights. That's where we come in. At Silver Tax Group, a tax attorney will stop levies before they happen, challenge improper assessments, negotiate real settlements, represent you in appeals or tax court, and take over all communication with the IRS and hopefully reduce the stress in your life so you can sleep. You don't have to do this alone. If you received a CP504 notice, contact us right now. We'll step in, build a plan, and get the IRS off your back. Go to silvertaxgroup.com or call us today at 855-900-1040. The CP504 notice is not the end, but it's really close. Get ahead of it before the IRS comes after your paycheck, your bank account, or other assets. We're here to help.